But if this brings you just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots,
onto your bike, wherever the hell you were.
Alright, this is what happens when the splines on your shifter peg strip and you're 140 miles from stopping. Check out them. I gotta get my better camera. That's pretty good. That shit's stripped. And this is what we do. Vice grip, you don't need this extra part. This is just because we don't want to lose the vice grip. But you don't necessarily need this. But the key component here is to clamp that bitch down on there super tight and clamp this bitch down super tight, and then you use that as your new shifter until you can get an adequate
You need that one just in case.
Yeah, you definitely need this one. Don't need these. These are just auxiliary or whatever.
In case it falls off.
Yeah, but that's a roadside fix right there to get you home. But if that's the worst thing that happens, then I think we're in luck. So we're about to hit some traffic. That's why we kind of need to square it away. Otherwise, Tony. No, why? No, you ruined everything. God. All right,
Flex it, bad banana.
Bad banana shirt, 55 Chevy. But yeah, that's a quick roadside fix and quick video. Probably gonna splice that into the rest of them. And we stopped at Checkers, of course. Any good repair job happens at Checkers. So.
I got a big Buford.
Yeah, immediately got food. Didn't look at Tony's bike. Didn't try and offer any help. Just immediately went and got a cheeseburger.
I got a big Buford.
Got a big Buford.
I shared his fries.
Yeah.
And I shared fries, so I hope.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job. Better job.
Fucking scumbag.
Is that a Toyota 4Runner?
Nice.
Fucking express lane.
Come on the inside.
Robin's racing. Uh-oh.
Shit, right there.
Keep going toe-to-toe with him. Oh, he's gonna pay you. He's paying you.
Fucking scumbag.
Yeah.
Stop, Jess.
Last day of the trip. I've been wearing the same clothes for 4 days. It may look like it's the same day because I have the same clothes on all the time, but it's different days. I've just been wearing the same clothes. Trying to clarify that up a little bit. Bike's been running good so far. No leaks that I can see. I got something going on up here, but I don't really know what. Doesn't look bad right now, but so far so good. Been running real good. No major issues, no battery issues, thank God. So far, still like 100 miles away from home. So stayed overnight at Tony's parents. Had some authentic Cuban food. It was really good. Had a bed, so I had a room to my entire part of the house to myself, which is nice. No snoring or anything. Didn't have to use my earplugs. And yeah, woke up, just did a little jaunt down 27. It got ruined by a bunch of trucks on going really slow on one-lane roads, so didn't get to enjoy the route as much as we'd like to, but we're here now, linked back up with Kev, and we're gonna finish off the trip.